What up, Sacred family? Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this big eye effect inside After Effects. Super easy, you don't need no plugins at all. If you guys new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping tutorials every single day this month. You don't want to miss out on the sauce I'm dropping. Hit that like button right now. Go ahead, go hit that like button. You're not paying me a single dime, just helping the channel grow. I know you want to support your boy Sacred. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. This will be the clip we'll be working with today, guys. It's a lyrical lemonade video that they just dropped, Lil Yachty and Ian. First effect we're gonna throw on is bulge. Go ahead, search up bulge, throw it on top of the clip. I want to bring that bulge center to his right eye. I'm gonna set that bulge height to 2.3. Taper radius, we're gonna set it to 40. Horizontal radius and vertical radius we'll set to 75. Just like that, we have the eye. Then we're gonna drag another one on. Before we start messing with these settings, let's go back into these effects and rename them. So this will be the right eye, and this one will be the left. We're gonna go ahead, Control C, Control V on the left, copy those settings. We just rename it again to left. Then we're gonna go back to that bolt center and bring it to the left side. There we go. If I scrub through, you guys can see it's not tracked at all to his eyes. A fix around it would be to keyframe every single position of the clip, but since I like to do things animated, we're gonna go ahead and track the motion. So we're gonna hit a tracker, press on track motion, and go ahead and bring that tracker point to his right eye. The outer square, we're gonna make it pretty big. Square inside, make it a little bit smaller. After we put the tracker in his eye, we're gonna go frame by frame and make sure it's directly on his eye. Now that it's done tracking, we're gonna go to edit target, make sure that it's on effect point control. We're gonna change that to the right eye, press OK. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and apply the dimensions to X and Y, press OK. As you guys can see, all the keyframes are here. I'm gonna go ahead and close that out, and then we play it back. You guys can see it's tracked. Now we're gonna go ahead and track that left one. We're gonna go back into that track motion. This time we're gonna do the left eye. Drag that right on his pupil. That outer box bigger, pretty good. We're gonna go again frame by frame. If you guys see it messes up, you could go ahead and move it back to where it belongs. Since he closed his eye, the tracker kind of lost point. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and edit target again. Make sure it's on the left, yes. Go ahead and press apply. Apply the dimensions X and Y once again, and then we play it back. We're gonna make the animation a little bit more smoother, guys, by animating the bulge height. So in the beginning, we could go ahead and keyframe the bulge height. Bring that to 0. Then let's go about 3 frames in. 1, 2, 3. Let's bring that back to 2.3. And we can press U on our keyboard to see all those keyframes. All of these are the tracker info. We scroll down. This is the bulge height right here. Go ahead at F9. As you guys can see, the eye just comes in. I'm gonna do the same thing for the left eye. Go ahead and keyframe the bulge height at the beginning to 0. 3 frames in. 1, 2, 3. 2.3. Press U to bring up the keyframes. Go back down. F9. Easy ease those keyframes. Now we play it back. Got the effect. That's it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button down below. Like I said before, we're dropping tutorials every single day this month. You don't want to miss out. Hit that like button so YouTube can continue to push my videos out to other content creators as well. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.